Well, it's been sitting here in my garage all winter, so it's time to check it out. But it is a little dusty. Before we do that, let me show you what I found out about the website for Hangkia motors. I think it'll be helpful. For more information on the Hangkia boat motors, you can go to their website, hang-kai or hang-kai.com. And when you get to that page, if it's in Chinese over here, there's a drop down. You can change the language. I already have it set for English. And you can go under products. I've had questions on the motor that I purchased. And here is the 3.6 horsepower. If you click on that, and if you drop all the way down, here's information actually on a lot of the particular motors, but the 3.6, I had a question on what its weight was. Well, the net weight is 10 kilograms. I think that's around 21 pounds. You can compute that out. And the fuel tank size, the cc's, the maximum output, and same information on the 3.5 right here. So that could be helpful for you. Also, if you'll go under article, drop down, you'll find a whole list of written articles that for the most part are helpful. It also, here's the installation method. That's a lot more detailed on how to break the motor in. New outboards running. Anyway, I thought that would be helpful for. Here's the two-stroke outboard fuel mixture ratio. So during the break-in period, it says on here 25-to-1 mix. At the end of the break-in period, it's 50-to-1. So hopefully this website can be of help to you. The best place is, again, it's under articles, and just browse through and find something that works for your particular motor. Thanks for watching.